How to get an international driving permit for the USA. Planning a trip to the USA and want to drive. You'll need an international driving permit, or IDP. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of getting an IDP from the International Drivers Association. What is an international driving permit? An international driving permit is a document that allows you to drive a private motor vehicle in another country. It translates your driver's license into several languages, making it easier for foreign authorities to interpret your credentials. A multilingual translation of your license. The IDP translates your license information into multiple languages, including French, Spanish, and Chinese, which is particularly useful in the USA. Why you need an IDP in the USA? Driving in the USA requires an IDP for many international travelers. It's a legal requirement in some states, and without it, you could face fines or issues with car rental companies. Additionally, it helps overcome language barriers with local authorities. Avoid fines and legal issues. Having an IDP ensures you comply with local laws, avoiding fines and legal complications. About the International Drivers Association. The International Drivers Association is a trusted provider of international driving permits. They offer a simple and fast application process, making it easy to get your IDP before your trip to the USA. Trusted provider of IDPs. Their website provides all the information and tools you need to apply for your IDP quickly and efficiently. How to apply for an IDP. Now, let's walk through the steps to apply for an IDP from the International Drivers Association. Step 1. Visit the website. Visit the International Drivers Association website at internationaldriversassociation.com. Step 2. Fill out the application form. You'll need your valid driver's license, passport-sized photos, and some basic personal information. Step 3. Upload photos. Upload 2 passport-sized photos. These can be taken at a photo booth or even with your smartphone, as long as they meet the requirements. Step 4. Payment. Make the payment. The fee for an IDP from the International Drivers Association is affordable and can be paid securely online. Step 5. Wait for processing. The International Drivers Association offers express shipping, so you can receive your IDP quickly, even if your trip is soon. Receive your IDP. Once processed, you'll receive your IDP by mail. Make sure to carry it along with your original driver's license when driving in the USA. Benefits of an IDP from the International Drivers Association. There are several benefits to getting your IDP from the International Drivers Association. Their process is fast, reliable, and recognized internationally. Fast and reliable service. Customers appreciate the quick turnaround and professional service. International recognition. Your IDP will be recognized in over 150 countries, including the USA. Frequently asked questions. Here are some frequently asked questions about getting an IDP for the USA. How long is an IDP valid? An IDP is typically valid for 1 year from the date of issue. Can I use an IDP in any country? No, an IDP is only valid in countries that recognize it. Always check the specific requirements of your destination. Do I need an IDP if I have an EU license? If you have an EU license and are traveling within the EU, you generally don't need an IDP. However, for the USA, an IDP is necessary. Can I drive with just an IDP? No, an IDP is not a standalone document. You must carry your original driver's license along with the IDP. Stay prepared. Drive safely. In conclusion, getting an international driving permit from the International Drivers Association is essential for a hassle-free driving experience in the USA. It ensures you meet legal requirements and provides peace of mind. Subscribe for more travel tips. For more travel tips and advice, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on social media to stay updated on all our latest videos. Happy travels and drive safely.